Hello and welcome back. Today we're diving into creating these two informative Excel charts for your dashboards, where it is dynamically changing upon updating the values. If you're new to my channel, please support my videos by subscribing to my channel and pressing the bell icon so you will not miss my future uploads. Without further ado, let's get started. We'll be working with attendance performance data for both males and females. For demonstration purposes, I'll enter a random value in cell B5 for the female data, which you can later link to your actual dataset. In cell C5, I'll calculate the remaining percentage based on the value in B5. Below this, I'll add a 100% reference for our chart setup. Now, let's select all the data and insert a clustered column chart. To clean up the chart, remove any unnecessary labels and grid lines. Next, head over to the icon options and search for male and female icons. Once found, I'll make copies of these icons. I'll set the fill color to none and keep only the outline for one set of icons. I'll use blue and brown for the male and female icons respectively. Then, I'll select the filled male icon and copy and paste it onto the male series in the clustered column chart. I'll also paste the outlined male icon onto the 100% series. I'll repeat the same steps for the female chart series. Next, select the filled male icon and open the Format settings. Under the Fill options, choose the Stack and Scale with option. Repeat this process for the filled female chart as well. Next, select the Outlined chart. Navigate to the Series options and adjust the settings by setting the gap width to 0 and the series overlap to 100%. This completes the setup for our first chart. Now let's tidy up by removing any unnecessary icon images that we no longer need. As you can see, when I change the value, the chart updates dynamically, reflecting the new data. To enhance our chart, let's add data labels. Right-click on the chart and select Add Data Label. To display the actual values, open the Format Data Label options, choose Value from Cells, and select the appropriate cell range in the Data Label Range window. Make sure to uncheck the Default Value option in the Format settings. And there you have it. We've successfully completed our first Excel chart. Before we dive into creating the second chart, we need to set up some supportive data. Since we're going to create a cylindrical chart with caps, I'll add sections for the upper cap, performance, and lower cap. I'll link the performance data to our previous variable data cell and fill in the other cells as needed. Now, select only this data and insert a 3D stacked column chart. Remove the Y-axis and the chart title for a cleaner look. Then select the chart and click the Switch Row Column option. Next, I'll adjust the layout using the Quick Layout option and choose Layout 2, which doesn't include grid lines. Change the column shape to a cylinder from the Format Settings menu. I'll also set the gap width to 0 for a seamless appearance. Right-click on the chart and select the 3D rotation option, setting the X rotation to 0 and the Y rotation to 10 for a better perspective. Let's format the cylinder chart by adjusting the fill color options. First, update the fill color for both the upper and lower caps to gray. Then, set the performance section to green. Use the same green color for the lower performance section, but increase its transparency to 80% for a subtle effect. Finally, enhance the readability by increasing the font size of the data labels. You can duplicate this chart as many times as needed by copying and pasting it. For demonstration purposes, I will duplicate the same data in column P. Just select the new data ranges to apply the effects and use fill color formatting to make your chart vibrant and engaging. That's all for today. I hope you've learned how to create stunning Excel charts for your dashboards and data analysis reports. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.